Hello everyone, welcome back to the era of tech. My name is Nambajima Tawajel, your electrical technology tutor. In today's video, we are starting a new and a very important topic called industrial automation system. Industrial automation system refer to the use of control systems such as PLC sensors, actuators, and software to operate industrial or process with minimal human intervention. Automation helps industries to increase the production speed, improve accuracy and quality, reduce human error, improve safety in hazardous environments. In this series, we study industrial automation system step by step from basic concept to real industrial applications. Next video, we will look at the main elements of an industrial automation system. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this lesson. Let's continue learning together on the era of tech.